Product: aesthetic device. Material: brass. Machine: Star Somebody 20R Typeg. Let's take a look at the machining process. First, the technician starts by setting up the equipment. The machine is inspected and cleaned. This component is used in beauty devices. The processing is done using a Swiss die lathe. The machine undergoes automatic programming. After programming, turning begins on the lathe. After roughing, the finishing process achieves the final dimensional accuracy and surface finish. During this stage, the lathe removes most of the material to shape the component. Following rough machining, finishing is performed to achieve the final dimensions and surface finish. Using complex machining paths to achieve a single pass form. Burrs and sharp edges from the machining process are removed to ensure a smooth finish. After machining, we remove any burrs and sharp edges generated during the process. Our machines use non-destructive testing, ensuring no damage to the product during this stage. The lathe removes most of the material to shape the component. The surface finish is particularly high, with customers requiring RAO 0.8, but we can achieve RAO 0.4. Wow! Finally, quality checks and measurements are performed on the finished product. Finally, and equally important, don't forget, perform quality inspection and measurement on the finished product. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.